Well,
Is it about the capital thing? Is it about the idea generation?
marami. Pag pinagsama-sama mo yan. Kaya nga, tayo sa AFFI, lahat ng pwede natin gawin in terms of dun sa educating our people through franchise education or through entrepreneurship in general, will somehow give them the idea how to avoid this, ano yung mga pitfalls, what are the factors that they have to think para nang sa ganon, if they wanted to go into business, eto yung mga dapat gawin.
Huwag na nilang i-try na mag-fail pa kasi may mga nag-fail na.
And members of the association regularly through our learning series are equipped and are basically made aware of these pitfalls so that they can also impart that knowledge to their franchisees.
So how do they really join your organization? This is a formal membership, right?
There is. In fact, we are screening our members. Hindi lang pwedeng kailangan na pag gusto mong sumali, nandun ka lang at you'll just pay for the fee and then member ka na. It's a strict process wherein we have it at least a month. We do some ocular, may mga screening muna. We visit the site kung talaga bang hindi siya fly-by-night. Yun nga, as mentioned, kailangan legal. Diba? Yung entity, kailangan maayos. Meron tayong makikita doon na support, may support team, may support production or commissary.
Wala kayong narinig na nagtayo ng Association of Fly-by-Night Franchisers of the Philippines?
Wala naman.
I think there should be an organization for that.
Ganun ba?
Para identify natin kung yung mga...
So siguro, ang pinakamaganda niyan, get in touch with our secretariat. They may call Mr. Rafi Canare. Our number, I think it will be...
Yeah, you have a website.
We have our website. They can check into the website. Yung ating secretariat number is 0917-517-AFI.
518.
518 AFFI. That's all. Ayun. So, they can always, siguro, they can link with us also kung medyo hindi nila ma-contact.
Or they can go to our website at afi.com.ph.
afi.com.ph.
And I think two groups of people that can probably look into that. If you have an existing business already, a successful business that you are thinking of franchising, then you can, or already franchising and you want to be a member of the association,
kasi
call us.
I understand din yung mga problema ng meron silang brand na maliit sa isang probinsya.
Paano di-develop.
Pero paano di-develop?
Surprisingly nga, marami ngayon dun sa mga members din natin na ang concept hindi nanggaling sa Metro Manila. Ang concept nagsimula sa probinsya.
Yes.
So yun ang maganda ngayon kasi talagang tayo naman na nasa Maynila, we want to spread it by way of what? Doing and going dun sa countryside. Parang, in fact, with AFFI, for this year, our plan is to go regional, specifically in the Visayas and Mindanao area. So, we have to, probably, you will be inviting us again para we can also inform our people about dun sa plans pa rin ng ating.
Anytime.
And then, of course, yung second group, just to add to what I was saying earlier, is those people naman who have money and want to invest in a franchise, they can also visit our website.
Yung mga OFWs, karamihan itong mga to, they have some cash. But
Meron.
Yes.
Yeah. At hindi lang OFWs, even the retirees, even yung mga newly college graduates na ibinibigay ng mga nanay at tatay.
May regalo sila na cash.
Negosyo, diba? Marami talaga. So, ang maganda, they can look at the roster and then merong mga kung saan swak yung budget nila, yung concept na gusto nila, yung passion nila, yung kanilang magiging lifetime na business,
Right. I also heard about this coming franchise show. September pa naman, pero you're trying to come up with a franchise show.
Yes, actually, our 9th Filipino franchise show is going to be this coming September 16 to 19. 4 days siya.
That's what keeps you busy.
So that's why I'm
That
full-time
explains
with
the full-time. Sige po. Before I let you go, I'm holding with me 2 pieces of paper and I'm going to let you choose one and then just choose. Okay?
Sige,
go ahead.
Isa na tayo.
Okay, now,
Ano
let's
kaya
see.
to?
Mr.
Bubuksan na ba?
Paolo, you can open the paper. What does it say?
Consequence.
Consequence. Okay, here's your consequence for the week. You're going to sing Beam without smiling.
Ano?
Beam. song.
Beam.
It's like mag-B-E-A-M smile. Mag-smile kami pag beam. Without smiling.
B-E-A-M.
Smile.
Yung ano yun
Beam. Oh,
toothpaste.
that one. Okay,
Without
can
a
you do it
smile.
without smiling?
Without
Go.
smiling. Paanong kayo?
Mag-B-E-A-M smile. Smile.